Put your fingers on the pulse of knowledge at StudyBee. Get the answers you need when you need them.
Max Weber put his best sociological foot forward during his time spent in the field of sociology when he sought to advance three big new claims. First, he made the claim that direct knowledge of pure fact is not possible.
What? But our buddy Auguste Comte says that knowledge should be guided by fact. Now Max Weber is telling us that knowledge of pure fact is not possible? What's the deal?
The deal is that social reality includes elements of both objective or factual reality and subjective or interpreted reality, meaning reality that is based on concrete facts and reality that is based on people's opinions. Sometimes people act only in response to the facts in a situation, but more often they act based on various interpretations of these facts, or opinions. So it figures that people have different ways of approaching subjects.
Weber came to the conclusion that we cannot understand social reality unless we understand the meanings or interpretations that people use. In addition, Weber suggested a way to analyze human behavior and social reality by using ideal types.
These ideal types can be described as a set of sociological ideas that best capture the essential features of some aspect of social reality, according to the theoretical concerns of the sociologist.
These ideal types are the descriptive features of a social group, like this. Look at these people here. They are a small sampling of a college campus Young Republicans Club. We'll attempt to describe this smaller group using ideal types we've found to be common to other Young Republican groups. Will these ideal types accurately describe this club? You be the judge. Educated, good income, pro-business, family values, conservative, well-groomed, preppy. Well, what do you think?
The last claim made by Weber is that sociology should concern itself with how the individual functions within a social setting.
Weber asked, why do people do what they are told?
Weber's inquiry focused on looking at behavior at the individual level. So, unlike Mr. Durkheim, who says we should focus on groups, Weber says we should study individuals.
Weber's point is that there is more to human social experience than social structures, social facts, and groups. We must understand the shared meanings and interpretations that are essential to human behavior.
Weber uses a German word to describe how this research should be done. It was called Verstehen. Verstehen is interpretive understanding. What Weber means by interpretive understanding is that the sociologist ought to be able to walk in another person's shoes.
Okay, now recall the sociological imagination, which was formulated by C. Wright Mills? Well, Verstehen is a lot like that. We've got to be critical with our studies and observations. We must be able to place ourselves in another's shoes and not let our biases get in the way.
The next trip we're going to make is with Mr. George Herbert Mead. Mr. Mead is responsible for giving us symbolic interactionism. Symbolic interactionism.